Sa mga nakuha mong medals, ano yung pinaka-favorite mo at bakit?
Lahat po sila super meaningful sa akin, so it's hard to pick.
Pero if you could choose one.
If I could choose one, it would be yung etong recent po siguro sa Kumamoto or yun sa Thailand because of course international and pero for me ayang track that was in Dumaguete po, it was really fun. I really liked the track. Ang ganda po ng trail niya, super flowy. Yung gumawa po kasi ng trail downhiller. So, ang ganda po. I really like the trail. Pati yung downhill track po niyan, I really liked it.
Lexie, hindi ka ba takot minsan? Or nung nagsisimula ka, paano mo na-handle na if ever sisemplang ka, na hindi ka nagdudwell na pasaktan muna, tuloy ka lang, like bangon ka ba agad? Something like that?
Of course, when I was starting, iiyak po talaga
Okay.
ako. Kasi bata po ako nun and yun po talaga yung fear ko is to get hurt, ganun. Pero when you do it for years po, parang
Masanay ka na lang.
masasanay ka na po sa, like, you'll know that it's part of it and may lesson po dyan kung bakit ka sumemplang. It helps you, either mali yung line mo or mali yung form mo, that's why you crash. So, matutunan mo talaga and it takes courage na lang din po to do that part of the track again na hindi ka nasasemplang. So, it's part of, parang, it makes you stronger, mas tatapang ka.
Talagang it's part of the process na kapag sumemplang ka, edi tayo lang agad. Kasi those are the moments na matututo ka, mas gagaling ka.
And now po, kapag sasemplang ako, tatawanan ko na lang. So, kasi ang funny minsan kapag sasemplang ka, tatawanan mo na lang sarili mo, tatawanan ka ng friends mo. Yun po.
Talagang you make fun of it na lang.
Yeah.